Here's a story about amazing in action. A Tier 1 North American service provider needed to generate a digital twin of its vast national tower infrastructure within a 12-month deadline. Normally, they'd rely on time-consuming, costly, and dangerous tower climbs, but now they wanted a faster, more cost-efficient, and more accurate solution. They turned to Amdocs Drone-Aided Site Audits. Amdocs Drone-Aided Site Audits is a comprehensive end-to-end solution for maintaining communication towers. It includes trained pilots equipped with drones, logistics, FAA and tower owner approvals, and all the necessary field data collection and back-office engineering. We started the project by utilizing advanced drones with autonomous flight paths to digitally scan the provider's tower network, standardizing the process of data collection. The data was then analyzed by Amdocs engineers, who produced detailed reports as well as a complete digital replica of the provider's network. This digital twin allowed the provider to expedite deployments and reduce the launch time of additional 5G capabilities by 50%. But the benefits of Amdocs Drone-Aided Site Audits go beyond just time, accuracy, and cost savings. The drones also improved safety, as traditional tower climbs can be dangerous and prone to human error. Plus, the use of drones had a lower carbon footprint, making our service more environmentally friendly through reduced truck rolls. The result was, in a word, amazing. The service provider hit their deadline with ease, and they did so in a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable fashion. Make it amazing with Amdocs Drone-Aided Site Audits.